Now we are going to study question from December 2011 exam, question 6. So everyone, please give the heading December 2011 question 6. Very simple question, not that much difficult question. But here there is one twist in this question. We are going to see that twist. A circular cam. See the word here. We have a circular cam rotates at 360 revolution per minute. So we have a n. N is how much? 360 revolution per minute. From n, what we will get? We will get omega. Omega is equal to what? 2 pi n by 60. So 2 pi into 360. So omega is equal to 2 pi into 360 by 60. So everyone, please do the calculation with me. So I am going to do the calculation. So what will be the calculation? 2 pi into 360 divided by what? 60. So what will be the answer? 37.7. So 37.699. So we can take it as a 37.7 unit omega radian per second. Now then what they said further in the question, and is offset from a center of rotation by 14 mm. Okay. So offset from center of rotation. Try to, this word is very important. Offset from center of rotation. Okay. Offset from what? Offset from center of rotation will be equal to what? Offset from center of rotation will be equal to what? 14 mm. They have given in the question. So offset from center of rotation is what? 14 mm. It is given in the question. The cam follower has a mass 0.6 kg. So m is equal to what? 0.6 kg. And moves with simple harmonic motion. So which one is here following simple harmonic motion? The follower is following simple harmonic motion. And here which type of cam we have? In this question, the cam with us is a circular cam. See the word here. The cam is what? Circular cam. Try to see the scenario here. And they have given us this very important point. Offset from center of rotation. Offset from what? Offset from center of rotation is what? 14 mm. Now we are going to see what does that mean. And then we are going to see A, B, C, D part. Okay. So before going further, so now we have now what they ask us here in this question, first of all, what they ask us in this question in A part, maximum velocity. What is meant by maximum velocity? Omega into R. So we need omega and R. We just now calculated omega few minutes before. And we need R. For R, we need a stroke or lift of the follower. Stroke, lift or travel, all these are the same words. Stroke, lift, travel, all these are the same words. So we need a stroke to find out the R. In B part, they ask us maximum acceleration. So to get the A, B, and in C part, they ask us velocity. So for the A, B, C part, we need the value of R. Without R, we can't go further. So for that purpose, what we are going to do? We need the value of R. And for R, we need the value of stroke or travel or lift. Okay, all these are the same word. Stroke, travel, lift. So for that purpose, I am going to draw the drawing of our cam and follower arrangement. And here, try to remember the scenario. Here our cam is what? Circular cam. And what they mentioned in the question? Offset from the center of rotation. At this point, I am making this point as a hashtag point. This point of this question is a hashtag point. Very important point. So offset from center of rotation is what? 14 mm. Offset from what? Offset from center of rotation is 14 mm. See this word. So for that purpose, I am going to draw here our cam and follower arrangement. I am going to show two diagrams. In one diagram, I am showing that follower is at the top position, and in the second diagram, I am going to show follower at the bottommost position. Try to see the scenario here. So here our follower is what? Cam is what? Circular cam. Now when circular cam acts as a cam, when its center of rotation and center. Okay, see the wording. When its center of rotation and center, they are not same. It must be away. Then and only then that cam will act as a, then that circular disc or circular cam will act as a cam. Try to see the wording here. These things are very, very important. I am going to draw here drawing of our circular cam. Very, very important drawing and easy to understand, not that much difficult, but important concepts, because from this drawing we will come to know that what is the meaning of circular cam. So here we have what? This is a circular cam. 1 minute, I am going to draw proper drawing of the circle. So this is what our circular cam. Consider it is a circle. My drawing is not that much good, but consider here it is a circle. You have to draw this drawing properly. So this is what our circular cam. Okay. Now here I'm on this view, on this drawing, on this view I'm going to show top presentation. Means top position of the follower. This is what a follower here. Here I am drawing follower. So this is what a follower. Just this is a schematic drawing. Here I am going to show circular cam. This is what our follower. Consider this is the topmost position of the follower. This is what a top. This is a follower. This is a cam. Then this is what a center of the cam. See this scenario. This is what a center of the cam. Now from this point dotted line, I am going to show here by using this red pen. So see this one, this red pen. This point will be what? This plus symbol. So this point will be what? Our center of rotation. And in the question what they mentioned? In the question what they mentioned? Offset from the center of rotation. Means this is what our center of rotation. With center of rotation and center, this offset means what? Distance from a center. So this is what a center of the circle. This is what a center of the circle. From this center of the circle, center of rotation is what? How much distance? It is mentioned in the question. How much is that distance? In the question they mentioned that distance is what? 14 mm. Okay. How much distance they mentioned? Offset from the center of rotation. Offset from the, so here offset from the center of rotation. So it means from center. So this is what the center of our cam. From the center to the center of rotation. This red one is what? What this red one indicate? What this red one indicate? This red one indicate center of rotation. I will denote that things on the drawing. So this distance is what? They mentioned this distance is what? 14 mm. Try to see the scenario. Very, very important discussion. Now, so this is what a topmost position. So here center of rotation. 1 minute, I have drawn the wrong thing. I want to show this is what a topmost position. So as the topmost position, 1 minute, I have drawn the, okay. For the topmost position, center of rotation must be here. Okay, center of rotation is fixed, but above the center of rotation, this is what our center of rotation. Above the center of rotation, our center must be above for the topmost position. This position of this one is what? Top position. Top one. And then this distance will be what? 1 minute. This distance will be what? This distance will be what? 14 mm. Okay, it is mentioned in the question. So this is what a center of rotation. With respect to center of rotation, center is above 14 mm. Then and only this will be, this follower position will be topmost position. Now I am going to show this is what the topmost position. Now I am going to show other view. Okay, when suppose this, just imagine that what we have to imagine. Just imagine that this cam rotate by 180 degree. What is happening? This cam is rotated by what? This cam is rotated by what? 180 degree. Now what will happen if cam rotated by 180 degree? Just assume that cam is rotated by 180 degree. Now what will happen? When cam is rotated by 180 degree, which position is fixed here? Which position is fixed here? This center of rotation, this point is what? This red point indicate what? What this red point indicate? This red point indicates center of rotation. So this position is fixed one. So from with respect to this point, I am going to draw one dotted line. Just imagine that. Okay, and just imagine that this our entire arrangement. So this our cam, this circular cam rotates by 180 degree. Okay, when it rotates by 180 degree, what will happen? This center of the cam will come down, bottommost position, and this part goes up. Try to see the scenario here. Whatever the below portion, it goes up, and whatever the portion above the center of rotation goes down. Okay, so here I am going to draw the similar drawing. See the scenario here. Very important discussion. So this portion, this center, when it is rotated by 180 degree, when this circular cam is rotated by 180 degree, what will happen? This center, where it will center come? It will center come down by 14 mm. So this center will come down by 14 mm, and this portion, the portion of this cam below this center of rotation will go above, and whatever the portion of the circular cam above this line goes down. Okay, see the point here. So here I am going to show the other view of this drawing. Very important discussion, and very much simple discussion, not that much difficult discussion. 1 minute, I am going to draw the drawing properly. See, in mechanics sometimes not, as drawings are very important, and for drawing we need a lot of times, otherwise calculations are very easy here. So we have to do the drawings properly. Sometimes I may take a lot of time because I am not that much good in drawing, but you must be good. So here try to see the scenario. This position is fixed. This center of rotation position is fixed. Whatever the portion below this line goes up, and whatever the portion above this line goes down. So this center will goes down here. Now here, so see, this is what a position of center of rotation. This position is fixed. This position is fixed. With respect to this position, where will our center come? Now, when it is rotated by 180 degree, this cam is rotated about this point. This redmost point is what? About this point. So this position of center position, where it will come? 1 minute, let me draw it properly. So this position. So this position with respect to the center, with respect to center of rotation, center will goes down. Center of the cam will goes down, and what will happen? So this position is the lowest position of this point. This position is what? This is for the center. For the center, this is the highest position, and this is what? The lowest position. So here try to observe the scenario here. Now what will happen? So here it is 14 mm below the again. So here try to observe the scenario. Here again this distance is what? 14 mm below. Below the center of rotation. So this center of rotation, with respect to center of rotation, this center goes down by 14 mm. So what will happen? When this center goes down by 14 mm, exactly 14 mm goes down means when it is rotated by 180 degree, what will happen? This center will goes down by 14 mm with respect to this position. So what will happen with this follower? So this position of the follower will become what? For this scenario, this is what a follower over, same follower here. So here this position of the follower will become what? This position of the follower will become what? This position of the follower will become what for this current scenario? Means when follower at this position is topmost position. This is what a center of rotation, this is a center. This is what a center of rotation, this is a center. This is a center of rotation, this is a center. When center is above the center of rotation, when this center is above the center of rotation, here I am mentioning center of rotation, this is what our center of rotation. When our center of the cam above the center of rotation, then follower position is what? Topmost position. When this center is below the center of rotation, exactly below the center of rotation, then this position of the follower will become what? Bottommost position. Try to see the scenario here. So this position is topmost position. This position is what? Bottommost position. Now the important point is what? For solving this question, what we need? For solving this question, what we need? We need the lift, travel or stroke. All these are the same thing. So we need a lift. Lift means what? Total distance. Means from bottommost position to topmost position. the distance from top to bottom. See the scenario here. This discussion is very, very important to us. From topmost position to bottommost position. That is meant by our lift. So here, so this distance traveled by this one is what? From top position to bottom position, this distance will become what? 1 minute, let me draw it properly. So always remember, in mechanics, drawings are very, very important. So this position, this distance, from topmost position to bottommost position, this distance we will call it as a lift, stroke or travel. Okay, here I will give name lift, because in the question they mentioned a word lift. So here I am going to use word lift. So this distance is what? Lift. Try to see the scenario here. So now what will be the value of lift here? What will be the value of lift here? If you observe this drawing, what will be the value of lift? Try to see the drawing here. What will be the, see, this, how much this center, how much vertical distance traveled by this center? How much vertical distance traveled by the center? See, initially, when it is, suppose it is rotated by 90 degree. Just assume that this circular cam is rotated by 90 degree. Then center goes down by what? 14 mm. Then again 90 degree means total 180 degree. So how much? So 14 plus 14. So what will, then this lift will become what? Then this lift will become what? 14 plus 14 means same. The whatever the distance traveled by the center means vertical distance traveled by the center, same distance traveled by the lift. Means here vertical distance traveled by the center is what? This is the our center of the circle or center of the circular cam. So this center distance, vertical distance traveled by the center is what? This 14 plus this 14 means when it is rotated by 180 degree. When this circular cam means when circular cam is rotated by 180 degree, our this follower comes from top position to bottom position, from topmost position to bottom position. So here the circular distance traveled by the center is 28 mm. The same distance traveled by the what? Follower from topmost position to bottommost position. So here lift is equal to what? What will be the lift here in this scenario? So what will be the value of lift here? From this drawing, what will be the value of lift? Lift is equal to lift or stroke. Don't get confused with the word lift here. Lift means stroke. So here, but in this question they mentioned lift. So here I am using that word lift. So lift will be equal to what? 28 mm. 28 mm means what? 0.028 meter. So our amplitude of SHM R is equal to what? What will be the value of R? R will be equal to what? Lift by 2 or stroke by 2. So 0.014 meter. Try to see the scenario here. So now our question is solved. Almost solved. All the remaining parts are very, very easy. So here twist in this question to find out the lift. So lot of times we get confused. We may consider lift 14 mm, then from 14 mm divided by 2, we will consider 7 mm as our R. R means amplitude of SHM. But here lift is what? 28 mm. Try to see the scenario and how we got 28 mm. For this, try to understand this drawing. Understanding of this drawing is very, very important to us. Try to see the point here. Very, very important discussion here. Now we got R. Once again I am explaining you how we got the lift so that you should get more clarity. Now try to see the scenario here. Suppose this center of rotation position is fixed. Not suppose this center of rotation position is always fixed. So here I am showing two views. In one view, follower is at topmost position. Another view, follower is at bottommost position. Suppose here, at this when follower is at the topmost position, our center will be by default. Center will be what? This center, this center will be what? 14 mm exactly above the center of rotation. That is the meaning of word offset. So when follower is at the topmost position, this center will be what? What will be this center? This center will be 14 mm above the center of rotation, exactly above. Then and then only follower is at the topmost position. When we rotated this cam by 180 degree, what will happen? This center of rotation will come down, will come at this position. See this, this is another position of this cam. So here, this center of rotation, this center will come down by 14 mm with respect to center of rotation. So here, this center, the vertical distance traveled by center, listen my words, vertical distance traveled by center will be what? From here to here 14, and then again it goes down. So total vertical distance traveled by the center will be what? 20 mm, 28 mm. So the same distance will be traveled by what? When our center comes at this position, what will be the position of the follower? Follower position will be bottommost position. See this is the logical, huh? So follower position is the bottommost position. So total distance, vertical distance traveled by the follower is here what? From this position to this position is what? 28 mm. The same distance will be traveled by what? Follower, means when it is coming from top position to the bottom position. So here the distance will be here. The distance traveled by center is what? 28 mm. Then same distance traveled by the what? Follower when it is coming from the top position to the bottom position. And what is that distance? Distance between from top position to bottom position will be what? Our lift. Any doubt in this discussion? Try to see the scenario here. So here R is equal to what? Lift by 2, 0.014 meter. Now we got the value of R. Now what we got? We got the value of R. Now in A part, what they ask us? In A part, what they are asking us? Let me check what they ask us. In A part, they ask us maximum velocity. In A part, our target is what? Maximum velocity. Very, very simple discussion. So what is the relation for maximum velocity? V max will be equal to what? Omega into R. And what is the value of omega? What is the value of omega? We just now calculate 37.7 here. Value of omega is what? 37.7. So 37.7 into what? What will be the value of R? 0.014 R value. So V max will be equal to what? What will be the V max? So please everyone do the calculation and tell me the value of V max. V max will become 0. Everyone please do the calculation with me. 37.7 into 0.014. How much value we are getting? 0.5278 meter per second. Velocity units. Units are very, very important in mechanics. So we got the value of maximum velocity. Then in B part, what they are asking us? In B part, what they are asking us? They are asking us maximum acceleration. In B part, what they are asking us? Maximum acceleration. And how to get the maximum acceleration? Maximum acceleration means what? A max means what? Omega square into R. So A max, omega is what? How much value of omega? 37.7 square. R is what? 0. 1 minute. So I have a little space here. So 37.7. Try to see the scenario here. 37.7 into R is what? 0.014. 0.014. So in this way we will get the maximum acceleration. So everyone please do the calculation for maximum acceleration. Very simple discussion. 37.7 into 37.7 square into 0.014 square. How much value we are getting? 0.27. How much value? 0.27. 1 minute. I have done some mistake. 1 minute. 0.014. 18.898 meter per second square. So in this way what we got? We got the value of maximum acceleration. Very, very simple discussion, not that much difficult. Getting the maximum velocity. So here the twist in this question to get the value of lift. From lift we got the value of R, and for that purpose we need this drawing. This drawing is very, very important to us. So here 8 point. So here I am making point properly. So that must be visible to you guys. Any more point here also? Okay. Now before going further, what you have to do? First of all, write down this point. This discussion, these given things up to this one. 0.6 kg. This is a mass now. 0.6 kg. Any more mistake from my side? Okay. So first of all, what we have to do? First of all, write down this given thing. This one, up to this point, up to this mass. Then after the mass, what we have to do? Please draw this drawing. After the write down the given things. After writing down these given things, what we have to do? Draw this drawing. Drawing. First of all, this one. Then this drawing. After that, lift R, this A part, and then B part. Okay. I am explaining once again. This one up to M. Then this drawing. Then lift R, V max, A part, and then this B part. Okay. Please everyone complete all this point. Now, what is our target in C part? We have to find out velocity of the follower, velocity of the cam follower at 3/4 of the lift. See the wordings here. So here we have to find out velocity of the follower at the 3/4 of the lift. I am going to tell you what is the meaning of 3/4 of the lift. So here first of all we are going to draw our basic drawing, our line diagram. Try to see the wordings here. Very important discussion. So this is what our top end. Then this position will be what? Bottom end, top end. Then this position will be bottom end. Then this distance will be what? From top end to bottom end. This distance will become what? This distance will become what? From top end to bottom end. Try to see the scenario here. Very important discussion. Distance from top end to bottom end, this distance will become what? Lift. It is mentioned in the question. So, sorry, not mentioned in the question. We calculate the value of lift. So, this is what a lift. We calculate lift is what? 28 mm. Then, here, there is what? A midpoint or mid stroke. Or we will say this point as what? Our fixed point. This is what? A fixed point. Then, next here, try to see the wordings here. This distance will become what? This distance is what? Our standard drawing. This is what? Our R. Then this distance will be what? This distance is what? R. Now try to see the scenario here. Very simple discussion. Now what they mentioned in the question? They mentioned in the question the position is what? 3/4 of the lift. Okay, see. From here to here, 1/2. 3/4 means what? 0.75. 3/4 means what? What is the meaning of word 3/4? If you calculate 3/4 means what? 0.75. 0.5 means what? 1/2. Okay, so R is what? 1/2 or 0.5 of lift. So it must be what here? 3/4 of the lift. What it means what? This position, that point P position will be here. We will say this point position, and this position we will say 1 minute, a little bit implications here. So this position will be what? Here. This position will become what? What this position will become? 3/4 of the lift. Try to see the scenario here. So this position will become what? 3/4 of the lift. 3/4 of the lift means what? Above the 50% means this one is what? 0.5. So this will become 0.75. So this position is what? 3/4 of the lift. So see this in here. All are mathematics. It is all mathematics. So 3/4 of lift. Okay. Try to see the wordings here. Very simple discussion. Not that much difficult discussion. Then this distance will be what? From here to here. This distance will become what? Our favorite thing, X. Then here I am going to show R here because we need this R in our calculation. So this is what R, and then this is also R. Any doubt in this discussion? Try to see the scenario here. And why I have shown 3/4 of the lift? 3/4 of the lift means what? See, 1/2 means 3/4 means 0.75. 3/4 of lift means what? 0.75 of lift. 0.75 of lift means what? It is above the 0.5 of lift, and 0.5 of lift means what? Up to this point. So 0.75 means what? Above that point. And see, to get the value of x, what we need? X means what? Distance from fixed point or midpoint. X means what? Distance from fixed point. Try to see the scenario here. Distance from fixed point or midpoint. So here, now to get the value of velocity, we need the distance value of this x. So x will be equal to what? See the drawing here. X is equal to what? From here to here, 3/4 of lift. And if you subtract this, if you subtract r from this 3/4 of the lift, we will get this value. Means this minus this, we will get this x. So x is equal to what? 3/4 of the lift minus r. Try to see the scenario here. Very simple discussion. So x will be equal to 3/4 of the lift. Lift is what? 0.028 minus r is what? 0.014. So 0.014. So if you do the calculation, we will get the value of x is what? 0.007 meter. All things are in SI units here. So here now our target is what? Velocity. What is the relation for velocity for this point P? V is equal to what? Omega under root of r square minus x square. Very simple discussion. So V is equal to omega. We calculated 37.7 in the beginning of the question, the solution. R is what? 0.014 square minus x is what? 0.00. Check it out. Sometimes we may miss any zero. So in this way we will get the value of velocity. What will be the value of velocity, everyone? Under root of 37.7. Make it dot properly. So 37.7 under root of 0.014 square minus 0.07 square. So how much value of velocity we are getting? 0.457 meter per second. Okay, everyone, try to see the scenario here. So in this way we got the velocity of the cam follower at 3/4 of the lift. 3/4 of the lift means what? 3/4 means what? 0.75. So 0.75 of lift. Okay, so from here to here, 1 times lift. Okay, lift. So 0.5 lift means what? From bottom end to fixed point. So that is 0.5 of lift. Then 0.75 means what? Above the 0.5. 0.75 means what? Above the 0.5. So here the point P will automatically comes above the fixed point. So this we will get 3/4 of the lift. Okay, in this way, from 3/4 of the lift minus this r, we will get the value of x. 3/4 of the lift and this minus r, we will get the value of x, and from x we got the value of velocity. Very simple discussion. Okay, so everyone, give the target for this C part. We have to find out velocity. Then draw this drawing. In mechanics, always remember, drawings are very important. So first of all give the heading, then draw the drawing, and then write down these things. Please everyone, complete all this point. Now what is our target in D part? What we have to find out? The speed at which inertia force on the cam follower would be equal to its own weight. Okay, what is our target here? Here we have to find out speed at which inertia force on the cam follower would be equal to its own weight. Okay, so we have to find out what we have to find out. In D part we have to find out N. What we have to find out? We have to find out N, and for that what they have given us? Speed at which inertia force on the cam follower would be equal to its own weight. Okay, so here we have to find out N. For that, what the condition they have given us? Inertia force is equal to what? They have given us inertia force is equal to weight. This condition they have given us in the question. Now what is meant by inertia force? This point we have to memorize. Okay, I am not going into that much detail. Just we have to memorize this one. Inertia force means what? Mass into A max. Just remember for now. We will not go into that much detail. We don't need that one. Inertia force is equal to what? Mass into maximum acceleration. And weight means what? We know this one, m into g. Now what are the things we can cancel here? We can cancel m. And what is the relation for Amax? Amax means what? Omega square r. Amax means what? Omega square r. So omega square r into g. So omega square is equal to what will become? G by r. Omega will become what? Under root of square root of g by r. Try to see the scenario here. Very simple discussion, not that much difficult discussion. So omega will become what? Under root of g is what? 9.81. G is what? 9.81 divided by what will be the value of r? R is what? 0.014. 0.014. This is a point. Then omega will become what? Everyone please do the calculation for this scenario. Omega will be this new omega we have to calculate here for this scenario. So what will be omega? Square root of 9.81 divided by what? 0.014. So what will be the value of omega? 26.471 unit radian per second. So omega will become what? Omega is equal to what? 2 pi n by 60. Omega is equal to what? 2 pi n by 60. So n will become what? Omega into 60 divided by 2 pi. Try to see the scenario here. So omega 26.471 into 60 divided by what? 2 pi. Everyone please do the calculation with me. And in this way we will get the value of n. So n will be equal to what? 26.471 multiplied by 60 divided by what? 2 pi. Okay. What is the value of we are getting? What is the value of n we are getting? 252 point. Everyone please check it. 252.78 unit revolution per minute. 252.78. This is a point here. Revolution per minute. Try to see the scenario here. Any doubt in this discussion? Try to observe the things here. Okay. So in this way we got the value of n. Okay. For which, what is the condition they have given? Inertia force equal to weight. And what is the inertia force? Inertia force means what? Mass into maximum acceleration. This thing we have to memorize. We will not go into that much detail. So please everyone, first of all write down this one. After that this one. Okay. So this is all about this question. Please everyone complete this point.